everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're doing a twice baked potato for you guys. You know, you can use it whenever you want. You can do barbecues. You don't even have to do it on barbecues. You can use it whenever you want. Winter, summer, fall, you name it. You can reheat it in the smoker, you can reheat it in the oven, you can reheat it whenever you want. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Twice baked potato coming at you next. Alright, our ingredients for this twice baked potato are as follows. We got some sour cream, we got some cheddar, we got some cream cheese, we got some bacon bits. You can definitely cook your own bacon and make your own bacon bits. We got some nice scallions. We got some delicious looking garlic powder. We got some basil. We got some oregano. We got some parsley. And obviously, we got potatoes, which I had olive oil and salted and baked at 400 for an hour, so they're already cooked. Depends on the size of your potato. It could take longer. Let's get this cook going next. Alright, let's start by, we've already baked these, and we're just going to take them, and we're going to get the flesh out inside. We're going to leave a little. You don't want to get it all out. Do your best job, and you should end up with something that looks like that. I'll do another one quick just for you. So, here we go. And take your spoon in there. Try not to get all of it, but get most of it. That's the trick. There we go. That looks good. Alright, Chop-O-Matic next. Alright, we are working on our twice baked right now. All that deliciousness we chopped is right here. We're gonna put that into the mix. That goes in there. And with that, we're going to build our twice baked potato filling, because we already got our shells over here, because we obviously, that's where we got our potatoes. Bacon bits, you can use cooked bacon, you can use what you want. That's a good quarter cup. We're also going to use cheddar cheese, so get that in there too. That's a good half a cup of cheddar cheese in there. And we're going to use some sour cream, and that's a good half cup of sour cream. And we do got something else we're going to use, which is cream cheese. So we'll use some of that. Quarter cup. We'll be back. Alright guys, we outgrew our plate, so now we are in a bowl. And now we gotta get all this incorporated. And we need to add just a little bit of crushed salt to it. A little bit of hot sauce. I'm using Cholula tonight. Use what you want, or don't use any at all. We'll get that in. We got our sour cream in there. We got our cream cheese in there. So now we just work this together. And then we're going to fill our delicious, and I mean delicious, twice baked potatoes. Give them back. Alright, I'm going to keep doing this. When I bring you back, we'll fill our skins. Time to get these tater skins, these twice baked potatoes going. So, alright, we got a mixer over here, which I have obviously taken good care of, and blended it. Well, looks good. So these need to go back into our delicious potato skins. You know, if you want to get a piping back, you can definitely do that. I'm not really into that, but you can definitely do that. So there you go. There's one. I'm going to do the rest. We're going to bake these 30 to 45 minutes until they are absolutely delicious and cooked through. and we'll go from there. All right, we got them out of the oven, and they are looking delicious. Here's one right here. Look how good that looks. Ooh, best twice baked potato ever. I got one over here that I am going to actually attempt to cut in half, and we'll see how that works for us. And we'll put them here, and we'll put the other half here. There we go. And you can see what it looks like in the middle. We obviously got our skins. Let's go ahead, and while we're here, that's what we do. Let's make it look pretty. So we got some scallions, and we got this nice bit of parsley we'll put there. And hey, simple twice baked potato for you all. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Definitely like this video. Definitely try this. Put the stuff in it that you want to put in it. Hey, easy peasy. Hey, I'll see you next week on Cooking with Corey.